Sorry about that, everybody. Recording with my phone, and it keeps getting overheated out here in the sun. But it appears they're getting ready to take the last piece of the top off. I'll stay on as long as I can. When the device gets hot, though, I have to cool it off, but I will come back as soon as I can.
How are you doing?
Hi, Ted. I'm recording.
You bring the sunscreen?
I'm recording.
Hey, you girls don't act like your mom, do you?
Oh, no.
Oh,
Yeah.
good gracious. That's cool stuff. Good job.
Yeah, watch.
Are you getting ready to do that one? What do we got on fire down below?
When they bring the big panels down, they have to torch them apart because they're too big to put in the dumpster.
Okay.
Up under the tank?
And you got
I don't know.
something recording that over here?
Oh yeah, they're.
That's DLC or whatever recording.
No, that is channel 57 is here recording also.
You're recording for town.
And we did get some aerial footage from Mr. Florian down at our local high school. And when we get that from him, he got footage with the drone, so we will post that when we get it. Is the coffee
It doesn't go that far.
They didn't eat today, so. I got there,
He's like
Cody
Charlie
just
always
left right
spitting one
before
in.
I got there. Knocking on the door, nobody's answering. I called Bernie. He says, well, let me see. Anyway, he says, I says, I think I just saw Cody leave. So he called Cody. Yeah, he had the girls he was going to bring into town. But you know, I had to other plans. Oh, girls.
Oh no, there's stuff below that, Charlie. You didn't notice? They're taking it all. That was the sunscreen. Here, Charlie, have a seat. There's another stool.
No, that's okay. I'm leaving. The girls are going up to my mom's to pull weeds. That's why I have the sunscreen. Yeah.
We got plenty around here that Charlie's not doing if they want to start. No kidding. One donut an hour. You might be out of a job for the summer. As soon as that one reaches the height of the fence right there, he's going to start it. Yeah. There. No.
Sure looks different.
Because they got to pull all this, they got to pour concrete for the fence. So all
How
of
long
the
has
fence
it
will have
been
to come down
empty?
before the finish.
That's a question for Joe.
Asphalt all the way over to the new tower and up to the filter plant, up to the well house. There'll be concrete pads out in front of the and then it'll asphalt. So kind of like a skateboard. Yep. Put some ramps out there.
Once this piece comes down, we're going to take about a 10-minute break.
So they'll pour all that and they'll put the fence back up. So he won't get into the fence and tear it up the first time we got it up. He'll just knock the concrete off.
Once those pieces get down to the ground, they have to make them smaller to get them to fit into the dumpster. Those are the loud crashing noises we keep hearing.
Really?
And they started off, I know it was the last time I went down there, a few months ago, they just removed full holes with concrete in them. Now it got it freaking continuous with the concrete.
Really?
So there it is with no top.
And it's like, what a waste of taxpayers'
Dang,
money.
that piece looks a lot bigger.
They're working quick.
You ain't gonna stop the semi.
This
They
looks
might
a lot
slow it
bigger
down.
on the ground.
So we're going to take about a 5 to 10 minute break here, and then we will continue recording.
You got to dig in deep right now.
Thanks for watching.